Hello! To take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there are actually two ways to do this. And the first one is the classic way to do this, and you simply have to press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. Just simply press them and your phone will take a screenshot. Let me show you. Just like this, as you can see. And the second way to do this is simply swipe down to this quick settings panel right here. You have to swipe it right here, and you could find the button for the screenshot right here, but in case it is not available, all you have to do is simply press this pencil icon to edit the panel. Press edit, and right here there is the available button, take screenshot. So you can take it and drag it somewhere on your phone and place it right here, for example, and just like this, accept the changes, press done, and right here there is this button to take screenshot. You simply have to press it, and that's how to take a screenshot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching.